Concerning data about the long-term effects of the coronavirus, researchers from Oxford in England have discovered that people infected with the virus are also at risk of developing a psychiatric disorder. Fox 6's Madeline Anderson talks to a local psychologist who is already seeing those symptoms among some of his patients.
In the war against the coronavirus, a new enemy is emerging for those who beat the infection.
There's never been this level of threat that I am aware of in my career.
A study published earlier this month shows 1 in 5 people diagnosed with COVID-19 are also diagnosed with a mental illness within 90 days.
It just escalates their anxiety, escalates their the functioning of the nervous system.
Psychologist Dr. Byron Bloomer, the proprietor of Cedar Creek Counseling and Cedar Lake Counseling in Mequon, says his therapists are seeing these symptoms firsthand among patients.
Very low energy, fears of death, panic attacks, heart is racing, social anxiety.
The alarming trend comes as Americans, especially young adults, are already reporting a major increase in stress, depression, and fear related to the uncertainty surrounding the pandemic. Bloomer says as a result, business is up 300% compared to last year. His office stretched to capacity.
We are getting 15 or 20 new calls every single day, and all of our therapists are full.
It's a scenario we've seen playing out for months in hospitals across the state. Not enough doctors and nurses to care for patients physically ill with the virus. Now, top health officials are trying to avoid a similar crisis in the mental health care system.
We've surged a number of additional hotlines and warm lines and peer support lines.
Just like in the emergency room, Bloomer says the longer patients in psychological distress have to wait, the more dire their situation becomes.
The rate of alcoholism and drug abuse is going up again. Suicide without drugs going up also. And some of them just wouldn't be able to tolerate the wait.
Reporting in Ozaukee County, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.
Some of those waits can be pretty lengthy. Well, Dr. Bloomer went on to say his clinics are looking to hire additional therapists to meet that growing need. In the meantime, patients will be prioritized based on urgency. We do have a host of resources available for anybody seeking mental health help. You can find those on our website, fox6now.com, and the Fox 6 News app. When you're there, click the COVID-19 tab.